hands down the best liquid liner I have ever tried. And if you have Hi, this is Caroline, always reminding you that you are created beautifully. Hi guys, today is Tuesday, so it is makeup beauty related videos. As most of you guys know, it was my birthday this past weekend. I seriously just chilled. But one of my gifts from one of my girlfriends is, yay, Huda Beauty's Neon Palette. This makeup tutorial is all about this palette. I absolutely love this palette. Like, it's so super easy to use. I have honestly never really used these pressed glitters, so I'm not sure if you could tell, but I've used this palette probably 6 times and it seems to have taken a big dent in it. I don't know if that's normal with these type of shadows, but oh, there is another product that I have to rave about. This Revlon Color Stay Skinny Liner. OMG. It was like $7.99 from Target. It is the hands down the best liquid liner I have ever tried. And if you have been on my channel for a long time, I have so many fine lines in my eyelids, and this baby right here, I cannot rave about this enough. You guys, if you struggle with a lot of texture and a lot of lines in your eyes, you have to. I'm not getting paid for this, but I'm telling you, I'm saving you guys some time. This stuff is the best. If you are interested at all on how I did this look, please continue watching. So I'm first going to start out with my P. Louise base in the color 0. Just going to put that on the back of my hand to give me a bit more control. I'm just taking a fluffy brush with that. Now I think I finally got the hang of using the P. Louise base. I think a fluffy brush is the way to go about it. For me, because I do have a lot of creasing on my lid space, I just want to make sure that I consistently kind of lift my brow up so that I can get that base in there. So I'm just going to put this all over my eye. And because we are kind of doing like a more elongated look, I'm going to bring that base all the way out. As always, off camera, I did do my brows, but that was pretty much it. So I'm going to take that first color with a small crease brush. It's very similar to Morphe's M506. Start at my outer V. I'm going to place that color, and then I'm going to slowly bring that into the crease area. What I did find with these shadows, I'm like honestly low-key obsessed with Huda shadows. As I said in the beginning, these are my first time using them, but they are amazing. And what I'm finding is to get the best pigmentation is not to tap it, which I'm so accustomed to doing with my shadows. Don't do it with these shadows. You're gonna get such a beautiful color payoff. And actually, you don't get much fallout at all except with these pressed shades in the middle. All right, next we go in with that pink. And we're just gonna place that right above. No blending yet. Just gonna use a stamping motion to place that color. Wow, I am so impressed. I'm definitely going to be trying to pick up some more of her products. I kind of thought that these two colors here at the end were totally similar, but they are actually not. I'm going to go ahead and just swatch them. Can you see that? So this one's a little bit more on the corally side, and this one's more on the hot pink side. So in the pans, they look very similar, but they're actually not. So right above that, I'm going to take the 506 and I'm going to go in with that coral color. We're going to do the same thing using a stamping motion and go right above that pink we used. All these colors are absolutely stunning. Like, I absolutely love every color. Now taking a Morphe 514, it's a fluffier brush, and I'm going to use this to start blending our colors out. So first, when I'm starting to blend out, I'm going to start to blend out all the outer parts, and then we'll go in and try to blend out the colors in between. I feel like this is just the easiest way to do with mattes. Now I'm really happy with what it looks like on the outer parts. Now we're going to start to try to blend out the 2 other colors that we have placed in the crease area. I'm just going to do that with the circular motions. Okay, so I'm liking how that's all blended out. Now we're going to go ahead and cut our crease. I am just using a concealer brush with my P. Louise base, and I am doing about 2/3 of the eye. now that I've kind of mapped out where I want to cut that crease, I'm going to go in with my micellar water. I'm just going to clean some of that shadow off so that I have more of a plain base to work with. Alright, now that we have our crease cut, we're going to go back in with that beautiful coral color. And we're going to place that right there. And for those of you guys who know me, I do these more bright looks, so next week you can expect a more natural look. Then I'm going to go into the corner. I'm also going to take that same color and I am going to run that right above where we cut that crease. Finally, for our lid space area in the pans, so you have these two that are kind of the lighter colors. We are going to go in with this one here that's more on the pinky side. Spraying my brush, Benai Liquid Set. Like, I've honestly never worked with these press glitters. I think that's what they're called. And I love them. Now I'm just going to go ahead and blend so that these three colors are not super harsh like that. I'm going to use my finger and I'm going to go in with that top press glitter. And I'm just going to place that right there to help it transition. So pretty much this is it for the eye look. I'm going to go ahead off camera. I'm going to put on my eyeliner and my falsies because that will take me forever and no one has time for all that. I actually enjoy watching people put on their full face, so I decided I'm going to try that out today. I'm going to just show you guys, but I will do music over this. Alrighty, so we have our full face on. Now we're gonna go ahead and finish up this look. I'm gonna line my waterline. Now with a flat shader brush, I'm gonna go in with that purple and I'm gonna press that right against my lashes. And then right underneath that, to smoke it out even more, I'm gonna go in with that coral color. There was one step that I did forget to mention that I did do. I did take my kitten from Stila and I just used a small brush to sharpen that edge here. So I'll just show you. Like, I totally don't think you need that extra step, but you know, we're going a lot extra today. So I'm just going to put some mascara on the bottom lash line. And then we're going to do our lips and then this look will be done. All right, guys, so this is the final look. I did do a combination of things for my lips. I decided I was going to go to a more neutral lip. I know I usually go with really bold lips, but I think my eyes are screaming neon, and I just think it would be too much. And with Undercover by Buxom, NYX Soft Cream in London, and then I topped it off with Tarte's a nudie pink gloss, and I just paired that up. This is the final look. I absolutely love it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope some of you guys will try this out. If you haven't already tried out the Huda Beauty shadows, especially these new ones, the neon ones that came out, I would love to grab the green one. These are awesome. I definitely recommend them. As always, God bless you guys. I will see you Thursday for a vlog. Bye.